take Bumblebee for a test ride. Oopsie, the mirror is loose. Let's fix it. It's better now. Now let's do the test ride. But first, let's fill up the tank. It's a 2-stroke engine, so you have to mix engine oil with petrol. All right. Chalu. Peep peep. Now where to go? Okay. Let's go to the main road and then we will see. Alright, it's sunset time. The roads are empty. Let's stop here and take a nice video of Bumblebee. Today. We'll be back with another video. But for now, take care. Bye bye.